What's going on, everyone? It's MotoMiracle. In today's video, Miss Miracle and I are going to the Atlantic City International Motorcycle Show, and it's in Baltimore. Today, as you can tell, it's snowing outside. I was going to take the bike. It was 63 degrees yesterday, but today, obviously, it's 35 and snowing, so that's not going to happen. So we're going to take the car. So today, we'll do a little vlog version, all right? So anyways, let's go to the intro, and let's go check out this video. So good. What's good, y'all? If you're new to my channel, I'm just traumatic brain injury survivor with a second chance at life. I want to share my journey to you through my eyes. Yeah, so right now we are on our way to Baltimore, to the fairgrounds. We're going to Timonium for the International Motorcycle Show. Yesterday it was 65 degrees outside, which was, you know, the best thing probably, but we decided to say, well, wait till Sunday. There'll be less people there, less COVID problems, because everyone's, you know, guys, Super Bowl at their Super Bowl parties. And it decided to snow last night into today, so it's 35 degrees, so we couldn't take the bike. So now we're caging it up. So not really sure what's going on over there, what there is. I know there's like at least 100+ bikes, you know, with shows like night, like choppers and stuff like that. And there's gonna be food, there's gonna be, they said somewhere said music, and then there's gonna be, you know, some events and stuff like, not events, there's gonna be a lot of prizes and stuff like that. I'm not really sure what there is to do there, besides the bikes being there, stuff like that. Hopefully there's food, because I'm already hungry. But hopefully y'all enjoy the show, enjoy the video, and we'll see y'all we'll see y'all in Baltimore. Finally found the campground. Not campground, what is it? The fairground. The fairground. Hopefully, you know, it looks good. You know, I think Sunday we chose is a better idea because it's less people. I have no clue if we need to wear masks or not. I don't know if we talk that much. I don't even know if we record. We'll see.
Yeah. Yeah. Yes.
Guys, please no video.
So just got in trouble from because I guess I can't take videos near the animals. I don't know. They said no videos. Okay, I'm gonna record as much as I want anyways. You know, because I don't give a shit. No. It's definitely less people than yesterday probably. Yeah, they said for the goats we can't really touch, but we can't get close to it. It's just said do not touch. It didn't say do not, you know, it's not like it's gonna them. Gosh. But yeah, definitely less people than, I'm pretty sure there's a lot more yesterday because it was 65 degrees outside. Definitely less people today, but it's a lot of things here though.
Yes.
Miss Miracle's got her got the MotoMiracle leggings. Looking gorgeous. Alright, so that was okay. I'm pretty sure Friday and Saturday would have been a little better. You know, more people there. They're actually kind of shutting everything's down right now, so it was great, but definitely a lot of bikes. They're nice bikes. Definitely interesting. Maybe if they have it next year, go on a more popular day.
A warm day?
Well, warm day, yeah. 60s, yeah. That's crazy. Welcome to Maryland now. But yeah, definitely a lot of bikes. Definitely beautiful bikes, old bikes, new bikes. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Coming around right? Just hope y'all enjoyed the video. You know, thanks you for coming with me to the bike show. I'm exhausted today. Oh, here we are.
Stay safe, spread those positive vibes, MotoMiracle, and I'm out of here.
Yeah, so let's see if Miss Miracle knows the outro.
Stay safe, spread those positive vibes.
Close.
It's MotoMiracle, and I'm out of here.
Alright everyone, this is the end of the video, so if you like this video then please press that like button. If you want to show some love for this channel then please press that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. And please press that bell icon if you want future notifications. And I say, till next time y'all, ride safe, spread those positive vibes.
It's MotoMiracle, and he's out of here.
Until next time y'all, ride safe, spread those positive vibes, and never give up. It's MotoMiracle, it's Miss Miracle, and we're out of here.